stop right there. If you're about to spend $30,000 to $60,000 on a new truck, you need to watch this first. Because 90% of American truck buyers make the same costly mistake, and it ends up costing them thousands in repairs before they even hit 100,000 miles. But today, I'm going to show you the only 5 trucks that mechanics themselves actually buy trucks that laugh at 300. 0 miles like it's nothing. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly which 5 trucks will still be running strong at 300,000 miles, backed by real mechanic data, consumer reports, and owner reviews from across America. And I'll also tell you which popular trucks to completely avoid. Stay till the end, because number 1 will genuinely shock you. I've gone through over 15,000 owner reviews, NHTSA complaint data, and mechanic surveys from across the United States to put this list together. These aren't just opinions, this is real data from real American truck owners who have pushed these vehicles past the 300,000 mile mark. Number 5 Toyota Tacoma, coming in at number 5, is the Toyota Tacoma. And if this surprises you, listen carefully. The Tacoma has been America's most reliable mid-sized truck for over 20 years straight. According to iZCars data, the Tacoma has the highest percentage of vehicles still on the road past 200,000 miles of any truck in America. Here's what makes it special. Toyota uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine that has almost 0 major failure reports before 200,000 miles. The transmission is bulletproof. The frame, built like a tank. The real owner from Texas reported 340,000 miles on his 2008 Tacoma original engine, never rebuilt. The only downside? Ride quality is rough, and the interior feels cheap for the price. But if you want a truck that simply will not die Tacoma, is your answer. But wait, number 4 on this list has even more impressive real-world data. Number 4, Honda Ridgeline. Now I know what you're thinking, Honda makes a truck? Yes, they do, and American mechanics absolutely love it. The Ridgeline uses a unibody construction, same as an SUV, which means fewer stress points and less wear over time. J.D. Power gave it the highest reliability rating in the mid-size truck segment in 2024 and 2025. The 5-liter V6 engine in the Ridgeline is the same engine Honda uses in the Pilot and Odyssey, both known for lasting 300,000 plus miles with basic maintenance. One mechanic in Ohio told Consumer Reports, and I quote, "This is the only truck I recommend to my own family. Downside? It can't tow as much as F-150 or Ram. But for reliability and longevity, it's nearly unbeatable." Here's the thing, number 3 is one most Americans completely overlook. Number 3, Chevrolet Colorado. Number 3 is the Chevrolet Colorado, specifically the 2.8-liter Duramax diesel version. Now, diesel trucks are famous for longevity, and the Colorado diesel is no exception. Mechanics across America consistently report seeing these engines cross 300. 0 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and fuel filter replacements. According to RepairPal data, the Colorado has an above-average reliability score with annual repair costs of just $598 compared to the industry average of $936 for trucks. Real-World Proof, a fleet company in Michigan, reported their 2019 Colorado diesel hitting 287,000 miles with 0 major repairs. 0. If you want a truck that saves you money at the pump and at the mechanic, the Colorado diesel deserves serious attention. If this video is saving you thousands of dollars, already smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more American truck buyers like you. Now let's get to the top 2, and these ones are going to surprise you. Number 2, Ford F-150 with 5.0 V8. Number 2 is the Ford F-150, but here's the critical part, only with the 5.0-liter V8 engine. This is extremely important. The 5.0 V8 is one of the most proven engines in American truck history. Mechanics call it nearly indestructible. Ford has been refining this engine for decades, and the result is an engine that routinely crosses 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Now here's what they don't tell you: avoid the EcoBoost engines if longevity is your goal. The 2.7 and 3.5 EcoBoost have significantly higher failure rates after 150,000 miles, according to NHTSA complaint data. Stick with the 5.0 V8, and you have one of the most reliable work trucks ever built in America. A construction company owner in Texas runs a fleet of 8 F-150s with 5.0 V8 engines. His oldest has 318,000 miles, still working every single day. This next one shocked me when I saw the data. Number 1 is not what most people expect. Number 1, Toyota Tundra number 1, and this should come as no surprise if you follow truck reliability data, is the Toyota Tundra. The Tundra holds the record for the highest percentage of trucks still on American roads past 300,000 miles, according to a 2024 IZ Cars study analyzing over 2 million vehicles. The legendary 5.7-liter V8 I-Force engine is the heart of this truck, and it is genuinely one of the greatest truck engines ever made. Toyota engineers this engine with such tight tolerances that wear is minimal even after extreme use. Here are the real numbers. 1. 7% of all Toyota Tundras on American roads have crossed 300,000 miles. That is 3 times higher than the national average for full-size trucks. A retired teacher from Arizona shared her story online. Her 2007 Tundra just crossed 412,000 miles. Original engine. Original transmission. Never rebuilt. Yes, the interior was outdated for years. Yes, it gets lower fuel economy. But if you want a truck that will outlast your mortgage, the Tundra is your answer. Mechanics buy these for their own families. That tells you everything. So, there you have it, the only 5 trucks that American mechanics trust to go 300,000 miles and beyond. Quick recap. Number 5, Toyota Tacoma. Number 4, Honda Ridgeline. Number 3, Chevrolet Colorado Diesel. Number 2, Ford F-150 with 5. V8 only. Number 1, Toyota Tundra. If you're buying a truck in 2026, stick to this list, and you will never regret it. Now I want to hear from you. Which truck do you drive right now? Comment below. I read every single comment and reply to as many as I can. If this video saved you from a costly mistake, subscribe right now. I post honest truck and SUV reviews every 2 days that the dealers don't want you to see. And watch this video next. I tested 10 SUVs off-road and only 1 survived. You won't believe which one.